Before you start researching, you need to become familiar with Brackett Library's website. Go to library.harding.edu. You can also find us on the footer of every Harding page, as well as a link in Pipeline. Clicking on My Library Account will show you what items you currently have checked out from Brackett Library. Clicking on My Interlibrary Loan Account allows you to see your interlibrary loan requests and to download requested articles when they have arrived from lending libraries. For information on interlibrary loan and Brackett Library accounts, follow the links to other tutorials found in the description of this video. If you are a distant student, you may find the guide under Services helpful. To schedule an appointment with me, get help with citations, or more, look for the resources under Research. Most of your research will be done using these two tools. This main search box here searches many databases at the same time across many disciplines. This will be updated to a new interface in the coming months. While clicking on A to Z database list allows you to search an individual database, which lets you do more advanced research, like using controlled vocabulary in databases specific to one subject area. So that was a really quick overview of the library website. I know we went kind of fast, we just really only hit some highlights, but this is the place where you'll be starting off your research frequently. It's important to begin researching from the library website so that you can have access to the resources that the library has subscribed to on your behalf. Often the results you find on Google won't recognize what you automatically have access to as a student at Harding University. And you may find your access blocked, or you may be prompted to sign into your institution, or told that you have to pay a fee to see an article. So just begin your research on the library website and you'll be off to a solid start. I'll see you in the next video.